1973, I was watching this guy on TV who was advertising a 3-day seminar on how to buy real estate for nothing down.
You're like in the middle of the intersection. You might as well just keep going.
Made me at least.
Wait, what the? Hold on. He was on the wrong side of the street. How do you screw that up? And yes, I was listening to show tunes again. What? You're not gonna be able to go? What? Oh my goodness. People are just... How are you gonna hold everyone up? Oh, you're in the way now. You're in the way. Go. Why?
Took a great failure and turned it into inspiration, as well as a tourist destination that makes them millions.
What?
But probably his words that mean the most to me today are still to work hard, earn money, and spend it. And when we run short, we can always borrow more. Unfortunately, 90% of the Western world subscribe, so I do not have to be. I'd rather play golf. People who sell their house on their own must not value their time much. Why would I want to save a few bucks when I could use that time to make more money?
Or spend it with those I love. My first point is that so many poor and middle-class people insist on tipping restaurant help 15 to 20%, even for bad service, but complain about paying a broker 3
to 7%. They enjoy tipping people in the expense column and stiffing people in the asset column. That is not financially intelligent. Keep in mind that not all brokers are created equal.
That's not a red light run, it's a right turn.
Unfortunately, most brokers are
only salespeople. They sell, but they themselves own little or no real estate. There's a tremendous difference between a broker who sells houses
and a broker who sells investments.
Come on.
The same is true for stock,
what?
bond, mutual fund,
oh my God,
and
a threefer.
Brokers who call themselves financial planners.
It's been a while since I had a threefer.
When I interview any paid money flows into the paths of least resistance. That is the cause of poverty and financial struggle. The following example illustrates the financial intelligence needed to direct money to make more money.
Technologies Incorporated. Performed by Tim Wheeler. Directed by Michael Nairn. Performance copyright 2012 by Brilliance Audio, all rights reserved. For further information about titles available from Rich Dad on
perform in giving you your loan. And second is you often just get the lowest price possible on the loan you get.
What?
Now, a lot of people are worried that by going to different banks and having them run your credit, it's going to dramatically doing this, and without seeing a ton of properties, you're really going to have no idea what you're looking at because you simply have nothing else to compare it to. And ideally, you want to find something that just needs a little bit of love. Just some really light cosmetic work. Maybe the kitchen is a little cracked, or maybe the bathroom is just old.
He's just sitting there.
Why are you parked in handicap parking? You've been there 10 minutes, man.
Trips. But here's the key: the regulation costs.
That's left
With this
lane.
new cap, there will be less traffic. It's time aggressive, which means the customer can get faster pickups
on top. And now this is your to-do list in order. Make sure you follow this in order and don't jump around. When you finish one thing, now you can go to the rest. But now you'll realize you have a whole list of things to get done. You don't have time to waste. Fifth, do your work in phases. So
Ted Hampson of the Oakland Seals, and the Conn Smythe goes to Serge Savard of the Montreal Canadiens. Records are set.
That's not a left turn lane truck. And I got an email.
He's the first one to ever get 100 points, and he's not alone. Bobby Hull gets 107.
What the fuck was that?
I won't get into what it was because that's kind of besides the point, but they suspected he reported it to YouTube and killed the live
Whoa!
stream. He went on their live stream like a day or two later. He said, do it. And they asked him for
Time
proof.
and a place across the street.
Now,
That's not
You
it.
have to keep in mind something that
There we got some organ donors sitting directly on active railroad tracks. I guess they're a little bit too eager to start donating. Okay, red light runner to start out the day.
I think that it is going to result in fewer drivers. When you talk about by attrition, I believe that New York is something like 25% a year.
Over the
What's
gore
going to
point.
happen is those, the
Okay.
Percent of whatever you spend goes there. Dollar Shave Club's getting really big, so 10% of your purchase price can go here. And I mean, they just have tons and tons of these. I mean, movement watches. And there's more than this coming. I've heard that they actually have quite a few new companies joining this.
Using the Robinhood app after 6 months, I first want to give a quick recap on what the Robinhood app actually is, in case you're new to Robinhood. Robinhood is an easy-to-use stock trading platform that is completely mobile-based, available on both Android and iOS devices. Robinhood has a user-friendly feel, and the app has an extremely clean and clutter-free.
What is he, brake checking the guy?
Robinhood has only been around since early 2013. But during this time, like I said, I've made several withdrawals and deposits to my bank, and I've had no issues so far. Secondly, I also
They
learned
don't
that
stop
Robinhood
on the
is
left,
actually
so
SIPC
technically
insured
that
up to
bus ran
$500,000,
the stop
and that's
sign.
the exact same.
It's hard to decide which peanut butter, you might be interested in. Maybe you might go for the lowest price one, but maybe it's not going to taste very good, right? When it comes down to wanting to grow your account, there's so many stocks that are out there. People usually think, hey, I want to invest in something that's the lowest cap so I can buy so many shares and grow my account.
No, right turn.
That's not how it works.
That's straight. What the? Oh, really? For it to be fucking raining. Red light runner. It's that fucking Volkswagen blocking everything. That's what it is. Oh no, it's this guy going straight from a right turn only. That's okay, that's what it is. Okay. Yeah, that car right there in that intersection, that black one, does not have headlights on. Let's see how visible it is on the... There it goes. Whee! No headlights. Yeah, black car like that. See how long it takes for them to get hit by something.